The 25-minute study hack that changed my grades. Day 4. I have been staring at this page of organic chemistry for 87 years. My soul has left my body. I'm pretty sure the gummy bear just winked at me. Let's be real. Your attention span is currently a golden retriever in a tennis ball factory. You sit down to study, and 10 minutes later, you're deep in a Wikipedia rabbit hole researching why wombats have cube-shaped poop. It's true, look it up later, but not now. Most people think studying is a marathon. They think you need to chain yourself to a desk until you smell like old library books and despair. But that's a lie. Today, I'm showing you the studying machine's secret weapon, the 25-minute sprint. Step 1. The monotasking contract. First, you have to stop cheating on your brain. Multitasking is a myth. It's just your brain glitching between Instagram and calculus. The move. Put your phone in another room, not face down, not on Do Not Disturb, another room. The vibe. Treat this like a high-stakes heist. You have 25 minutes to get the diamond, the info, and get out. Step 2. Set the Godzilla Timer. Standard timers are boring. Use an app or a physical kitchen timer. Set it for 25 minutes. This is the Pomodoro technique, but we're making it elite. The mindset. You can do anything for 25 minutes. You could survive a zombie apocalypse for 25 minutes. You can definitely read Chapter 4. The hack. Work with furious focus. If a random thought pops up, like, do penguins have knees? Write it on a distraction pad and get back to work immediately. Step 3. The level up break. When the timer dings, you stop, even if you're mid-sentence, especially if you're mid-sentence. The reward. Take 5 minutes. Dance to one Taylor Swift song. Eat 3 gummy bears. Stand on your balcony and scream at the clouds. The science. This prevents cognitive deceleration. You're recharging your mana bar so you can go again. Why this works. The hero arc. Imagine Peter Parker trying to learn his powers. He didn't just wake up and swing across New York. He practiced in short, intense bursts. By breaking your day into these 25-minute sprints, you're tricking your brain into staying in the Goldilocks zone. Not bored, but not overwhelmed. You'll find that 4 sprints, 2 hours total, are more effective than an 8-hour marathon of scrolling and crying. You aren't a victim of your syllabus anymore. You're the architect of your own genius. Your brain is a Ferrari. Stop driving it like a lawnmower. Try one sprint right now, just one. You'll be shocked at how fast you become the smartest person in the room. If you're ready to stop trying to study and start becoming a studying machine, hit that subscribe button. Let's make your GPA as legendary as your potential. All right, folks, now go pick up that book. I'll see you in the next sprint.